Hello everybody, happy Monday. Welcome to my main channel. So, I've been seeing, hello. Hold on, let me sit. I really don't like standing. I don't know why I decided to stand up. Hello, so it is Monday. I am home. I am with my dog. Dog, come here. I am with my dog. And lately I've been seeing this YouTube video trend going around. Basically, for an entire week, people have just been kind of like calculating how much they spend for their age in whatever city they live in. So I am currently 24 years old and I live in Los Angeles. And it's no secret that I buy a lot of stuff I don't need. But with that said, I really wanted to try this video out just to really see how much I am spending on a normal week. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not to like brag about how much money I spend in a week, and please don't bash on me for how much money I spend in a week. Obviously, everybody's lifestyles are different, everybody's incomes are different, obviously weeks change and things like that, but I am curious to see how this goes. So yes, little notes, I'm not gonna count like electricity or water bills or rent or anything like that, but I am just gonna like tally up my daily spending habits, I guess. So far, it is 11:34 a.m. and I have not spent any money yet because I have not left my house. I made breakfast at home, but I feel like I'll just count this for like, I don't know, $3 or so. It's just a banana semi-ice protein powder and spinach. So it's not too much, but I'd say it's definitely cheaper than getting it made at like a health juice bar. Also, I'm not gonna like spend any less than I normally would or like try and change anything for the video. I am genuinely curious, so that's that. Pray for me and my wallet. Let's see how this week goes. All right, moving on in the day. I still have really not spent any actual money yet today. Aren't you proud of me?
As I hold my coffee.
Ooh, that looks good. It is 1:16 p.m. and for lunch, I made a lunch at home and brought it over to the office for today. So, feel like I am thriving. I made some spaghetti squash with shrimp and tomatoes. That's my lunch, so I'll catch up with you guys when I actually spend some money. Ah, yes. My midday pick-me-up. Here we go, ladies. I spent $30 to take a SoulCycle class. All right, got my groceries for most of the week, and this will definitely carry on to the next week, but pretty much like the bulk of everything. Just now at Trader Joe's. Also grabbed this little bar to eat on the way home as a snack because I am starving. But my total ended up being $147.16, which is pretty expensive for groceries, but would have been a lot more like Whole Foods or something. So that's why I love Trader Joe's. Okay, I have laid out all the groceries. This is everything for the week, plus a little more. Looks good. Wow. She looks beautiful. Dinner is done. Oh, look at that toasty bun. Also, this little cauliflower broccoli thing is really good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being so cute. Alright guys, it is only 11:10 and I'm already ready for bed. This daylight savings has really been kicking my butt in the best way. But every night before I go to bed, I have a couple of these Glow Habit Sleep Well vitamins. They're kind of like a melatonin. I've had quite a few of them. They're really, really good. So I do 2 of these every night. And then lately I've been doing 2 of the Good Skin and then 2 of the Happy Hair, and they've been absolutely amazing. They taste so good. Not quite sure the price of these, but there are 30 servings per container. I'll do all the math for this later, but however much that costs, I do that every night. So 11:11, make a wish. I'll tack that on, but I'm gonna take these and then go to bed. Oh my gosh. Hello everybody. Okay, so it's the next day. It's day 2 of this video and I have yet to eat anything yet this morning. What time is it right now?
It's like almost noon.
I woke up not very hungry, but we just went to the gym and obviously I need to take my gym membership into account for this video. So I did the math. And I do go to a really bougie gym. I will say that right off the bat. The gym membership for the month is $240, which I know is a lot of money, but if you break it down between 30 days or in the month of November, today's rate was $8 for the gym. So that's what it was. We'll add that on. And I go really frequently actually, so that's the tea. Ew, I look so bad. Okay, so I just spent $5 on this coffee, not because I wanted it, but because I'm filming a main channel video, and it's not very good, but it was $5, so I'm gonna drink it. Alright guys, so for brunch today, we have berries, we have kale, eggs, butternut squash roasted in the air fryer, and then a turkey patty with like all the fixins. Looks really good, and it's using all the groceries I got yesterday. So I'm gonna count this as free because I'm gonna count the groceries as a whole price. So that's what we got. All right guys, so for today, I have not really left the house, so I didn't really spend any money doing anything. And I just made myself some dinner here at home, again with all those groceries, so that's just the update. I'm gonna eat dinner now. Okay guys, leaving the gym, I was so hungry, so I grabbed one of these at the Earth Bar after I finished. It was $3.72, which is really expensive, of course, just for one bar, but I'm hungry, so I got another one of these peanut butter chocolate chip Go Macro bars because they're really yummy. But get them at Trader Joe's because they're way cheaper there. Alright guys, for lunch, I just made myself this HelloFresh meal that I actually did for a brand deal, so I was lucky enough to have them send this to me for free. So I guess lunch is technically free. I've been noticing throughout my patterns that I eat a lot at home, which is really good. It saves me a lot of money because I definitely spend my money in other ways that you guys will see coming up in the week. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my lunch and then you guys will see what I spend my money on next, which is gonna be kind of pricey, so pray for me. So I just got to the gym and I have a personal training session today. So I will admit this is very, very, very pricey. I do know that. One personal training session with my trainer is $250. I know, it's insane, but for me personally, I like to invest a lot of my money into my fitness and my health and things like that. For one thing, it's just completely changed my life, and two, it just makes me a way happier, more confident person. So I've been seeing my trainer for the past few months, and he's absolutely amazing. They're like the trainers for like real celebrity people, like the Kardashians, J-Lo, every like professional athlete you could think of, like they all come here. So it's been great. I try to come 3 times a week when I can. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and train. I can't vlog it for you guys because I'm gonna be working out, but I've had Eli come with me and film this a bunch of times, so I'm just gonna put some clips in now and pretend like I'm doing it, you know, at the same time. Yeah? Okay. Hi guys, wow, okay, this lighting is so bad in the car. Oh my god, why is my steering wheel so high? Hello? Hello, okay, I know this is very weird and I'm in a very weird spot and I'm using my phone as a flashlight, but I just finished up a business dinner, so I'm not counting that in this week's total kind of thing because it was like a work thing. But I am now going to go get a spray tan. Normally I like to do my self tans at home actually, big fan of Loving Tan, but tonight specifically I'm getting a spray tan because I have a premiere tomorrow and then an award show over the weekend. And my dress for tomorrow night is so cute, but it's backless, and normally when I do my self tan at home I can't reach my back, so I'm always like, it's fine, I'm gonna wear a shirt anyways. And this time I need someone to help me out, so I'm going to go into Sugared and Bronzed and get a spray tan with them. Depending on which one I get, it's gonna be either $30 or $40 I believe, so it's pretty pricey and it only lasts like about a week considering how much I work out. But for the carpet, it is necessary that my back does not look splotchy. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and let's do it. You guys, I got my spray tan. I am tan to the gods. You can't tell, but in 3 hours, I'm going to be a tan goddess. Yes. Hello guys, post spray tan. I'm looking very tan now. Turns out I got the pricing wrong. For my spray tan, it was $39 or $49, and I thought they were talking to me. I got the express one that was $49. So I look very tan. I'm gonna wash it off in the morning and I'll be nice and glowy underneath. But now my back will not be crazy looking, so that's great. Alright Alright guys, spray tan turned out very nice and even. I'm very happy about it. For breakfast this morning, I made breakfast at home again, so we got that for free. I'm even having a nice little tea beverage this morning. I don't really ever go out for coffee or anything like that unless it's like for a meeting or like a video or something. So cheers! I gotta run out the door to go record my podcast with Leisha, but check out Pretty Basic if you've never seen it or never heard it, and I'll see you guys later. Hello all, it is very dark. I can't find any lighting. Let me go outside. Oh gosh, I'm sore. Oh my god. Okay. Alright guys, it's a little later. I just got back to the gym. I'm doing another training session, so add this to the video, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. So I finished training. This is Mom. Hi Mom.
Hi.
Okay, we're going to the Frozen 2 premiere, so I'm getting my hair done, and I'll show you guys the look as it happens, but this is the update. We're blowing it out. Ooh, look at the shine.
So long.
So long. So long. For lunch, I'm having a pre-packed salad from Trader Joe's. Convenience. We are making advances on the hair. It's looking good. I did my makeup all by myself. We got a pop of blue for Frozen. What's happening? I don't know. There's a noise. What is that noise? What's happening? Oh, I love my hair. The iconic wavy curls from the first PB shoot ever. I gotta get dressed. I have 4 minutes to pull this together. All right, guys, here is the carpet look. I just got my hair done by Lavette. I already owned this dress before, so I just whipped it out. I got it for a holiday party, then got invited to this premiere and figured it's perfect for the Frozen 2 premiere. So this is the look. It's got this fun bow in the back. I'm gonna head out and I'll see you guys on the carpet. Okay, we just walked the carpet. So fun! Wow. Oh, thank you so much! Say hi to your cousin. Oh, the blue eyeshadow is very apparent in this lighting. Thank you. She matches the dress. Someone's here. Hello guys, it is, what day is it today? It is Friday morning. The premiere was super fun last night. My hair is actually looking pretty good still today. For breakfast, I made some breakfast at home. It looks bomb. Gonna eat and take a nap because I'm feeling pretty sick today. I'm gonna have to go buy some medicine soon. Hello all, it is Friday afternoon. I just finished, the lighting is better this way, better this way. We'll walk backwards down. Just finished my last training session of the week. Feeling good, endorphins are pumping. I am now going to go to Alicia's because I'm gonna get some work done, and I'm also gonna do cardio at her place because she's a treadmill there, and it's Friday, there's a lot of traffic, so I'm just gonna go head over there and do that. Good plan, okay. See you soon. All right, guys, we have the first meal that I have eaten out for the week. I was super hungry and didn't have any food on me, so I postmated a salad from Panera. This was $12.43. I put it in this big bowl so I can mix it up, but I'm very hungry, so gonna eat this. Damn, mama.
Okay. These are like my vibe shoes.
Ooh.
Oh yes, tighten her up.
Oh, this is cool.
My graduation robe in my head. I don't know if I want to go extra bitch yet on the earring. Yeah, it's gorge.
Ooh, I love that.
Got it. It is cute though. I like all these colors. Not feeling it. Ooh, it's fun to spin in.
Yeah, good.
This is my favorite.
It's all really comfortable too.
Love this. He might have snapped yet again.
What do you think, Chloe?
Oh yes. Oh. She's scared of the camera. She doesn't know.
She's camera shy.
Oh no.
You're like packed down.
Everybody say hi to my video.
Hi, video.
Hello, video.
Hi, babe.
Hi guys, good morning. Happy Saturday. So, hello. I feel as though I should explain what happened last night because I didn't really have time before it happened to tell you what's happening. I didn't know it was possible to say happening that many times in one sentence. So, this week is pretty jam-packed. I picked a pretty interesting week to do this video because this is by no means normal whatsoever. But as you guys saw, I had the Frozen premiere on Thursday, and then I have the PCAs, which is the People's Choice Awards presented by E! On Sunday. The People's Choice Awards is like the biggest awards show that I've ever been to in my entire entire life. And I decided, because it's such a big deal to work with a stylist for the first time ever for like a specific event. So I hired a guy named Tyler to style me for the event, and he styles like Tana Mongeau, Daisy Marquez, a bunch of awesome YouTubers, and so I felt comfortable going to him to work with him for this. So last night we had the fitting for that. We did it at Alicia's house. Everybody was there. It was really fun. All my friends got to like choose with me, and we ended up picking a dress that's like white, and it has these poofy sleeves, which I'm not normally a poofy sleeves person, and honestly I'm like a little nervous to wear it because it's like so out of the box, but it's super different than anything I've ever done. And if I'm paying a lot of money for a stylist, which stylists are very expensive, then I want to try something different. There's food in my hair. So yes, I know it's a very expensive fee. I know a lot of people are gonna have something to say about the look for sure, but I'm excited to just try something new. It's fashion. Who cares? It's one night. It's a dress. So yes, with that being said, again, it is Saturday morning, and today is officially the 1-year anniversary party of Pretty Basic. If you don't know what Pretty Basic is, it is a podcast that I do with my best friend Alicia. So to celebrate today, we are throwing a party. It's gonna be so much fun. The party is coming out of the Pretty Basic fund, so I'm not going to be charging myself for any of that, and it's gonna be amazing. So I'm going to make myself some breakfast, get ready, and then head over to the yacht.
Hello.
Sponsored by Ruffle.
Okay, double crunch ruffles. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
Okay, hello.
This is ours now. Thank you. Rest of the day. Oh my god. So good.
Why are we all off, dude? Yeah, baby!
Hello, it is Sunday morning, and today we have another carpet. Today is a very, very, very big one. Today we're going to the People's Choice Awards. I'm having Livette come do my hair, and I'm having a makeup artist come do my makeup, which I've never had a makeup artist that I've paid for myself come do my makeup before. Usually it's like on a set or something. And to be fully honest, I've actually never found a makeup artist that I like love their work more than when I do my own makeup, just because obviously like I know my own face and I feel like I've gotten my routine down. So I'm a little nervous, but it's gonna be fun, and I'll keep you updated for today. Hi guys, okay, makeup look is done. It looks so good. I love the like lip liner look, and the eyes are so pretty. I love how they're cool tone with the little earrings. This is the final look. I'll show you. Oh, there you can see behind me. Different than what I would normally wear, but I really like it. The hair looks so cute. This is definitely outside my comfort zone, but I'm very excited, and we need to run out the door, so I'll see you guys on the carpet. Alright guys, that about wraps up my what I spent in a week living as a 24-year-old in LA. Last night after the awards show, Alicia came back to my apartment with me, my boyfriend came over, and then we all watched a movie and ordered sushi in, so it was really, really fun. A nice chill way to end a very, very, very crazy week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please keep in mind that not all weeks are the same. This has been like a really, really crazy one. I haven't had one like this in a very long time. But also it was so much fun, and I made so many memories, and I can't wait to be able to look back on this video. I love you guys so much. If you guys like this video and want to see me do more like it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know down below. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell if you guys want to be notified when I post new videos. Check out my vlog channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!